Today, my son and I arrived at the Brawl Stars Amusement Park, and from the very entrance, the magic of the place was palpable. Massive structures, bright colors, and unusual shapes immediately immersed us in the game universe. My son's eyes lit up when he saw the star-shaped Ferris wheel. Every cabin resembled his favorite brawler. He couldn't stop smiling and kept asking how long it would take to ride. We went to the gem grab coaster. The chain lift slowly carried the train upward, and my son pressed back into his seat with excitement. When the coaster sped through the glowing crystal arches, I saw his eyes shine, pure joy. My imagination captured the flickering lights and the metallic roar of the train. Everything felt so real that even I felt a rush of adrenaline. After the coaster, we entered the Mirror Brawl Room, a fun house of distorted mirrors. My son laughed hysterically at his reflection, with a giant head and tiny legs, and I couldn't stop laughing either. Every mirror created a unique effect, and we moved through the room, constantly amazed and joking with each other. After a quick snack, we approached the Blaster Ice Bar. I ordered ice cream shaped like a blaster, and my son picked a crystalline gem. We sat on real wooden chairs, enjoying the texture of the ice cream and the sense of a real cafe. No cartoonish effects, only hyper-realism. Next was the Brawler Battle Arena, a laser tag arena with safe blasters. I joined my son's team and watched him concentrate like a true pro. Lights on the walls lit up with each hit, and the battle atmosphere was incredibly thrilling. We also rode the Boom Barrel Drop, a giant TNT barrel tower. The climb to the top had a slight cabin shake, and the drop caused screams of excitement and laughter. Then came Minecart Madness, coaster-style in a miner-themed track. Passing through tunnels and dangling crystals felt like a real adventure. We also tried Super Spin Showdown, where the platform tilted and spun, giving the feeling of flight, and Brawl Splash River, a water ride with sudden splashes. My son squealed with joy as water hit his face, and I laughed along. To finish the day, we went to the Ultimate Showdown Simulator. The platform tilted and vibrated, and the 360-degree screen made it feel like we were part of a real Brawl Stars battle. I held my son's hand, and we were completely immersed in the game world. As we exited the park, my son was still jumping with excitement, repeating his favorite moments. I looked at him and realized this was a day we would remember forever. The park turned the magic of the game into reality, and seeing my child's happiness was the best feeling in the world.